Welcome to our tutorial. This video will demonstrate how we can carry out geometric operations on areas of interest in SaVoir, meaning how we can merge areas or how we could apply subtractions or intersections on such areas. Let's begin. First, we need to define a number of areas of interest by going on the Areas pane up here on the top left next to the Satellites pane. As you can see, the Areas pane is already opened with one defined area here called My Italy. When I click on it, it appears on the map of the Earth. I can then create other areas from the Area of Interest tab here by choosing any of the tools to work with. I have now selected a rectangle to create an area which I will position here. And then I am going to choose a circle to create yet another area which I will place here. I then want to select a polygon as a tool to create another area which is overlapping the previous polygon. Here on the open pane, I can always see the areas of interest recorded either with their specific names or with their coordinates. So we have two polygons, a circle, and a rectangle. I will now temporarily remove the rectangle and the circle simply by unclicking on them. Now, I would like to see how I can merge these two remaining areas of interest into a single one. Well, this is very easy. I simply go on the Area of Interest tab once again, and I select the Merge option. When I do so, I am now given a new area of interest as a result, which is the union of the two previous ones. The two previous ones have not been lost. They are still here, visible on the tree, and if I click on them once more, I will be able to view them again on the map of the Earth. Or I could even delete them for good if I decide that I do not need them anymore. I can also merge areas of interest which are disjunct, so not overlapping, by doing the same as before. First, I'm going to reactivate the rectangle and the circle to show you how these various areas could merge into a single one. Once again, Area of Interest tab, select the Merge option, and here we are. I am now given a new area, which is a multi-part area of interest, as you can see, composed of several areas combined, but it's now considered as a single region from the point of view of operations, and you're able to view it here on the tree as always. I will now demonstrate an intersection operation choosing a polygon as a tool to see what the intersection area of interest is of these various areas here. So again, Area of Interest tab, choose my polygon tool, created my area, and this time I'm going to go on the Area of Interest tab again, and I'm going to select the Intersect option. When I do so, as a result, I am given once again a multi-part area of interest made up of the intersection of all of them. The last operation which is quite relevant here is that of subtraction. Let me zoom in so you can view it better. I am going to define a new area of interest by putting a polygon inside another polygon and then seeing the subtraction of the two. So, choosing my polygon tool, I'm going to place it in here. All right. And then I am going to go back on the Area of Interest tab, and this time I'm going to select the Difference option. As you can see at this point, a dialog window has opened up where I can find the geometrical difference between one region and the rest. I could even decide to swap them around so that I subtract one from the other. And the moment that I select which one goes where, I give it the OK, and I am given a new area which is simply a hole in between or inside of the other area. So that is how we are able to carry out geometric operations in SaVoir. Thank you for your attention.